MuseScore versus Finale. Choosing the right music notation software can transform how you create and share compositions without the frustration of complicated tools. We'll explore both MuseScore and Finale to help you decide. MuseScore and Finale are two leading music notation programs. MuseScore offers a free, open-source approach, while Finale provides a professional, feature-rich experience. The core difference lies in accessibility versus advanced capabilities. MuseScore is a free, open-source music notation software designed for composers, arrangers, and educators. It works by providing an intuitive interface where users can input notes via mouse, keyboard, or MIDI devices. MuseScore supports a wide range of notation symbols, playback features, and export options including PDF and audio files. Its strengths include cost-effectiveness, an active community for support, and cross-platform compatibility on Windows, macOS, and Linux. However, it has limitations in advanced engraving controls and some professional publishing features. MuseScore is ideal for hobbyists, students, and those new to music notation who want a powerful yet accessible tool without financial commitment. Its regular updates and plugins extend functionality, making it a versatile choice for straightforward to moderately complex scores. Finale is a professional-grade music notation software widely used in the music industry for composition, arrangement, and publishing. It offers comprehensive tools for precise score engraving, advanced layout customization, and extensive playback options with realistic instrument sounds. Finale works by allowing detailed input through mouse, keyboard, MIDI, or scanning printed music. Its strengths include unmatched control over notation details, compatibility with industry standards, and integration with other music production tools. Limitations include a steep learning curve and a higher price point compared to alternatives. Finale suits composers, arrangers, and publishers who require in-depth control over every aspect of their scores and need to produce professional quality sheet music. Its robust feature set supports complex orchestral works, film scoring, and educational materials, making it a top choice for serious musicians and professionals. MuseScore and Finale serve different user needs. MuseScore excels for those seeking a free, user-friendly option to create and share music quickly without a financial barrier. It handles most notation tasks well, but may struggle with very detailed engraving or large-scale projects. Finale shines in professional environments where precision and customization are critical, such as publishing or scoring for ensembles and film. While Finale demands more time to master and a larger investment, it offers advanced tools unmatched by MuseScore. For example, a student or hobbyist composing simple pieces will find MuseScore efficient and accessible, whereas a professional composer preparing a full orchestral score benefits from Finale's granular control. Both support MIDI input and audio playback, but Finale's sound libraries and integration options are more extensive. The choice depends on budget, skill level, and project complexity. MuseScore is recommended for beginners and budget-conscious users who want a capable, free music notation tool with strong community support and cross-platform access. Finale is best for professionals needing detailed control and high-quality engraving for complex compositions. If you require industry-level features and are ready to invest time and money, Finale delivers unmatched precision and flexibility for your music notation projects.